In this video, we are going to animate the scared run in profile angle. The timing of this run will be faster than the normal run, which we did in our earlier tutorial. As the timing is faster, there will only be 3 drawings for each step. As we can see, we have already traced the head and have given it a scared expression. Please see the video on how we draw our first key pose for this run. The hands of the character in this run will be forward as seen in the video. The torso will be bent forward slightly more than the normal run. We now draw the second key pose with the legs flipped. Please see that in this key pose, both the legs are in the air. So we can also call this our up pose as the character will be highest in this pose. Please see the video and follow. We have drawn a line on a new layer to establish a ground level. We will now draw the passing pose for this run cycle. Please see the video. After the passing pose, we will draw the breakdown of the main key pose and the passing pose of the scared run cycle. We have now completed the scared run in profile angle. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching.